In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Google Calendar by creating and managing your events with just a few clicks. Whether you're planning a meeting, a project deadline, or simply jotting down reminders, this straightforward guide will help you make the most of your digital calendar. Let's get started by heading over to Google. Once you're there, you're going to click on the array icon in the top right corner to open Google Apps. This icon looks like a grid of 9 small squares. Opening Google Apps is your gateway to a suite of powerful tools that Google provides, including Gmail, Drive, and most importantly for our purposes today, Calendar. Next, you'll want to locate the calendar icon, which is easily identifiable with a small calendar illustration and the word calendar written underneath. Click on it, and it will take you straight to your Google Calendar homepage. Once you're in, you might find it helpful to switch your view to the month perspective. This allows you to get a comprehensive overview of your schedule, making it easier to see all your commitments at once. To do this, find the drop-down menu next to the gear icon at the top right corner and select Month from the options. Viewing the calendar as a month will give you a more holistic understanding of your schedule, making planning easier. Now let's dive into adding an event. Decide on the starting and ending date for your event by clicking and dragging across the dates directly on the calendar. Click on the date you want to start with, hold and drag it across until you've reached the end date. This action will automatically highlight the date selected for your new event. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure you're selecting the right time frame for whatever event or deadline you need to manage. Once you've highlighted your desired dates, a small window will pop up, prompting you to enter more details about your event. In the text box provided, you can type in the title of your event. This might be the name of a meeting, a project deadline, or even a birthday reminder. Choose a title that encapsulates the essence of the event so that it's clear at first glance. Finally, after completing these steps, all you need to do is click Save or Done, and voila, your event is now entered in your calendar. It's as simple as that. With these easy steps, you can keep track of your commitments and ensure that nothing important slips through the cracks. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this guide helped demystify the process of scheduling events on Google Calendar for you. Don't forget to explore all the customizations Google Calendar offers to truly make it your own. Until next time, happy planning.